We are trying to figure out the value of m in the hundredths digit place, I should say. So let's look at clue 1. So it's less than 0.25. 0.25 is what 1/4 is. So we could have 0.205, that's less than 0.25, 0.215, 0.225, see, I'm plugging in just numerically values for m. 235, that's still less than 0.25. 0.245, that's less than 0.25. 0.255, now that's greater than, this is greater than 0.25. So it's less than 1/4. So it could be any of these. It could be 0 through 4, but we don't know which one. That doesn't work. 2 says m is greater than 3. I'm going to change colors for clue 2. M is greater than 3. Greater than 3, not in. M is greater than 3. So that means it could be, hold on, it could be 0.245 or 0.255. Remember, we're on a different clue. We forgot about clue 1. It could be 0.265. So it could be any of these from 0.245 on when you let m be greater than 3. But I don't know which one. It could be 0.275, 0.285, 0.29, all. You see what I'm doing? So that doesn't work either. Now, let me write my numbers down again. I've got 0.2, shoot, hold on. Erase. Oh, I thought I have too much chicken scratch over here. Maybe not. Let's put both clues together. So if I use clue 1, it's got to be less than 0.25. That gives me 0.205, 0.215, 0.225, 0.235, 0.245. Remember, 0.255 was not less than 1/4. Now, let's combine with that with clue 2. M is greater than 3. I've only got one value where m is greater than 3, where m is 4. So that's your answer. And it took both of them together. So your answer is C.